Real hot girl shit. But I'm in here too. That's what
Pussy the kitchen.
I'm taking my damn brush too.
Sure.
Little whore. How did you even, where did you even get this?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I really don't know. You know, it's very expensive to date.
Hold on. Who giving grandma booty?
Not grandma booty.
I ain't fucked with. Maybe can't touch it.
Damn. You shaking for, Mom? Huh?
You know I'm making sure.
Is my auto shit on? Yeah, it is. I don't like this light. You probably can go downstairs sometime. Cause baby don't give a fuck. Titty fuck.
Yeah, she's shining like butter. The bitch from Chicago, I call it. Leaving the people, I pull up in Billy when they hold me.
Hey everybody, what's up? I know it's been a long time since I vlogged, but I don't care. It's like I do care. I feel like I'm a piece of shit, and yeah. So I'm about to leave my house. A lot has changed since I last vlogged or whatever. I can't even talk right now. Yes, I want to give you guys like a couple updates and you know, stuff like that. If you enjoyed this video so far, even though I haven't said shit, like this, subscribe to stay updated with me. And yeah, let's get this shit on the road. Pretty sure you can hear my loud ass fan in the background, but I don't care. I'm trying to come up with places to put my camera in my room when I film. But I think this is the cutest space. And then my clothes rack will have cute threads on it, so it would just be all like a fucking vibe.
What's happening with it? What you doing here, right? That's what I'm doing.
Give a fuck about nothing. Single, real hot girl shit. 2019, real hot girl shit. 2022. What's the acronym? RHG? HS.
Keep your days up. Keep your days up. Keep your days up.
You my new friend.
Let me massage the pussy. In my old town, nothing knows. For a while of lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up.
How does Megan do this shit?
Just be mixes pop like Jamba Joe. Looking man, know the crackers with you. Follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue.
Camera is trying to act dumb. What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Paris Levette, and I ain't make a video in a brick, but that's fine because we back at it again. September 1st, what it do, it should be September 1st by the time I post this.
Because we was all drunk, you know what I'm saying? But I go in and pizza to get my pizza. I'm coming out. Let me get a slice. Like, blowing me, son. Gave him a slice. He asked me for more. Then he walks me to my car. and I had like a little shot of the brown Ciroc in my car, so I'm like, pass me that or whatever. He's like, no, you're my cousin. I love you. You're already drunk. You're not about to be driving home like this. No, I'm calling Michael. He calls Michael. He like, if Michael says cool, then respect or whatever. So he called Michael. Michael like, Malona, just give him the bottle or whatever, like, because it was just a shot or whatever. Like, you'll give her liquor later type shit. Annoying. My whole thing is, Ling, you just wanted the bottle. Stop trying to act like it was about my safety.
So right now, what I'm doing is sitting here eating and watching. I'm trying not to look up there, I hate that. And watching 13 Reasons Why. I need to hurry up and finish it. But so today I was supposed to film a get ready with me. So if I am going anywhere, I'm gonna film that. If I don't, I'm gonna just be talking, which is cool. Because I got a lot of shit to update y'all on. I'm still eating and I'm still watching 13 Reasons Why. So this is not the video yet, but this is the intro. This is the introduction. I'm glad to be back. I mean, shit, I'm about to run this shit up. You gonna get a video from me every Sunday, and yeah, we just gonna kick it from there. Like, so yeah, shout out to y'all. Today I had a fake page write me and speak about my bed. Talk about some that they would be out a lot too if they had to sleep on this. And it's like, first of all, this bed is so comfortable. Lie to you not. I don't have to lie. I don't know, yeah, y'all right, I'm gonna get a new bed, but no, this shit is comfortable. Two, it's a flat form bed, so it's a low bed, and it's the bed that I wanted. So you sound kind of dumb. This shit is not on the ground, but it was a fake page, and if they really wanted to, they know where I be at. I be at Lush every Thursday. I even be at some of y'all parties, so y'all could, you know, hit me up if you want to. It could be a lot. The fuck. Anyway, let me enjoy the rest of this Chinese, because I just got a little ghetto.
Kai wasn't the only one feeling the attention, feeling the pressure build, feeling the weight of suspicion, and the world closing in.
This is Dimitri.
He me lower, hand him over. Literally just wiped off my makeup from earlier. Oh fuck, I forgot my do-rag. Yeah, I'm still watching 13 Reasons Why. So what I'm about to do is keep watching it as long as I can and probably take a nap, and then I'm gonna wake up and I may just go out. I don't know yet. It just depends. So just want to give y'all that update. I'll be back when I wake up. Just woke up. I had a fucking bomb last night. Kind of don't want to wake up, but I'm running in the shower. I'm about to get in the shower and just chill around, see if my friends are gonna go out. If they go out, I'm going out. If they don't, I'm not. So we'll see. My dumb ass did not record while I just did this slight little ass beat. And I was supposed to. I don't know how the fuck I forgot. So it's not a good ready with me. I'm gonna be chit-chatting in a second. Give me 1 second, let me figure out what I'm gonna wear, and then I'll be back. Alright, so of course my camera will be about to die. What's up? So I said this would be like a mini chit-chat, get ready with me, but I already got ready like a dummy. Excuse the back, I'm still in the process of organizing my clothes. All the tight shit gonna go up there, all the lame shit going in the closet. Alright, so before my camera cuts off, let me try to hurry up and get to some of the questions and, like, you know, some of the yeah, the updates. So first update is I did move. I moved in August basically, and I'm still trying to get it together. You know, I ain't perfect. I'm still trying to get this shit together. My roommate is very sweet. I really love her. I already knew her. So yeah, actually I'm gonna stop because I don't want to fucking rush this and my camera's clearly dying. So let me stop and yeah. Cause this don't make no sense. a motherfucking pony. Kayla called me a pony. I'm accepting it. Turn that shit up, Leak.
I just refilled my own.
I'm tripping with the gin and Henny.
Let's go.
I want to see where my night gonna lead to. You should have seen me last night, Abigail. Wasted. Did you see me last night?
I did see it.
No, you didn't. Wow, did you really?
First of all,
oh my God.
First of all, you FaceTime me. You and Lonnie. Oh, both. Y'all bougie for real. There ain't no cell phones out here, baby. Hey, can y'all send me this? And we gonna post it.
I know. Listen.